Okay.
Around five times, sir, in alone.
In the afternoon,
Yes, sir.
just both of you with Mr. Ryan.
No, there is friend of Mr. Yan, sir.
Oh, friend of Mr. Ryan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you meet him in Alon-Alon.
Yes, sir. Three people, sir.
When you go to Alon-Alon, you both of you bring motorcycle, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And where Ryan put the motorcycle is?
Put in the middle of alone, sir.
He put in there. There's parking area over there.
Yes, sir. Parking area, sir.
Okay. Anyway, I thought it's put somewhere. And how about you, Mr. Galang? What did you do since this morning?
Actually, I broke.
Cleaning around this area. Okay, with whom usually you do it? By yourself?